Hi everybody, today I'll be decorating this eating spoon I carved earlier from wild cherry. So now it's nice, simple, plain looking, and I want to decorate the handle here. And what I'm going to use is a method of wood decoration called Kolrosing. It's an old-fashioned traditional method that uses only a tip of the knife, wood carving knife. So what I'll be using here is Mora 106. So this is all you pretty much need to do this kind of decoration. It's simple but needs a bit of practice to get it right, but I think the results are really amazing. So let's start. First I'm going to draw the design. Today I'm doing a little frog design. I'll do the border here first, just something to frame it, and then I'm gonna try to do this frog. I haven't done this particular design in a really long time, so let's see how it goes. So here it is. What do you think? Is it good? Well, now I'll start Kolrosing. I'll just use the tip of the knife, but let's start with these border lines here. Okay. So what I'm doing here is just making an incision. So with Kolrosing, no wood is being removed. Just from the piece, it's just making an incision here. And later I'm going to fill this incision with a pigment. This cut will be filled in with a pigment. So, and for a pigment I use finely ground coffee. So you can use various things, but coffee works really good. Okay, so let's start with the little frog now. With these tighter curves, basically what I'm doing is a series of stab cuts, just to have more control and greater depth of the cut from the first go. So okay, looks good. Let's do the. So have you ever heard of Kolrosing before? Have you maybe tried it? How did it go and so on? Leave a comment. Tell me about it. Also, do you like eating with a proper wooden spoon? It is a different experience for sure. Once you try it, it's hard to go back to a metal spoon, that's for sure. Okay, let's do the little hands here. You have to be careful not to slip with the knife. Let's do the little hands. Lots of tight curves here, so have to be careful. So I carved these spoons myself from storm fallen timber. I find in the woods on the mountain here, so tomorrow I'm heading back on the mountain, so hopefully I'll make another video. Let's do the eye here. And now just the eyes left here. Have to be careful here. That's one. It's kind of harder to do this while you film yourself, so it goes a bit slower and the precision is a bit off, but I like to show you, so hope you like it. Okay, that's the frog all done. Now I'll just do the little basket wave above and below. So now I'm just going to do these borders. And now I'm going to draw the basket wave and do this too. So now just to do the basket wave. Nice straight lines. And here it is all done. What do you think? So, now for the last step, I'm just gonna apply some linseed oil. What I'm using is food grade linseed oil, also called flaxseed oil. It's the kind for salads, human consumption, so it's not to be confused with boiled linseed oil, which is for furniture and contains toxic additives and such. So, look, it's getting nice and shiny. This is all knife finish, so really eating spoons need to be finished perfectly. See all the little facets, all the little knife cuts, smooth, perfect. So a little bit more. Okay, not too much, not too little. See, all really looking nice. So now I'm just going to apply the pigment. And here it is, all finished. What do you think? eating spoon. Would you like to use a wooden eating spoon? Did you ever use it? It's a completely different experience than using a metal one, so, and I always say, once you try it, you won't go back. Just the tactile feeling of it, the warmth of wood, and how light it is, and just feels great in the mouth. And so little frog, hope you like it. Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.